You showed me with
and Bird, you know. Back out in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Just, it ain't nothing on buttons, just stunting. You dig? You know what I'm talking about? You know a nigga like me, I don't even flash too much, but they call me Young Flash Gordon because I'm reporting with these ice, you dig? I got my man Young Bird over here.
Key right now, you know,
out here.
That night while these other niggas sleeping, we enjoying the night life.
You see we stay pressed in leather out here. You see this leather right here too. You dig?
And this just the motherfucking moon shooter. Moon shooter Marauder, that's what we call it.
The moon shooter Marauder. Hey, niggas bad cause we out here and shit. You know, we been doing this shit. You know what I mean? Getting money. Get money, shit. That ain't no question for us. Get money? We been doing that.
this how our money go. Everybody be quiet. Y'all heard that bitch? Y'all hear that Marauder? That's how that money go. Fast, nigga. For real, no bullshit out here. Niggas really out here trying to get this shit, man. Trying to make it to that WB. Y'all probably don't even know what that is. I'm gonna let y'all know on that next one, though.
And we ain't talking about Warner Brother, nigga. Y'all figure that shit out. Hey, PVA, nigga, your bitch wanna roll with us cause we deliver.